Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In one of my previous videos, we already saw details on various platforms which DRDO were looking for their airborne early warning and control system, and then finally decided to go with old aircrafts from Air India. I have provided the link for that particular video in the top right I button and also in the details section of this particular video for your quick reference. The platforms which were looked upon were Airbus A330, Embraer ERJ145XR, and Airbus C295. Even though there was certain confirmation on the plan to acquire 6 Airbus A330, but even that got scrapped post the decision to go for old aircrafts from Air India fleet. Even after deciding about going for old aircrafts from Air India, the next confusion was to select whether Boeing or Airbus. Now, as per the recent update, it looks like DRDO would be installing their airborne early warning and control system on Airbus A321 platform. Looks like the selected fleet of aircrafts would be sent to Airbus for required modifications and feasibility study. Now, since DRDO has selected Airbus A321, and during this situation, I thought it would be good to know more about this aircraft from Airbus. So let us quickly see all vital information about Airbus A321 aircraft. If we begin with the definition, the Airbus A321 is a member of the Airbus A320 family, which has twin engines, narrow body, and carries 185 to 236 passengers. If we quickly see the other general characteristics of Airbus A321, the length stands at 44.51 meters, the wingspan at 35.80 meter, and height at 11.76 meters. The maximum takeoff weight is 93.5 tons. The maximum speed is within a range of 830 to 875 km per hour. The operating ceiling stands at 39,800 feet with a range of 3,200 nautical miles. The turbofan engines which power these flights are either CFM International's CFM56 and International Aero Engines V2500 engine. Both these engines fall in the thrust range of 133 to 147 kN. Now coming to the new radar design, since A330 airborne warning and control system proposed was supposed to be based on rotodome configuration, it was assumed that the same will be true for the Airbus A321. But it looks like it will be again based on the side-looking slab arrays as seen earlier in the Netra airborne early warning and control systems. Even though the Netra airborne early warning and control system will have side-looking slab arrays, it would be able to provide 360-degree coverage, eliminating the blind spot which most of the similar airborne early warning control system has. And this is indeed a very good news. So let us hope these configurations, modifications and installations happen at the earliest on the Airbus A321 platform so that India can have more eyes in the sky. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.